How you all going? Ranger Nick here. Are you in for a treat today? I have got some great new products that I'd like to share with you. Ranger Nick's range of curry kits. They're traditional and authentic Indian curries with very simple cooking techniques and good for your system, real good for your health. Right? Very basic type recipes. It's a list of ingredients. Follow the recipe. Watch the link on YouTube. Let's try out a Bengal fish curry and get started. First thing, you want to put some heat into a camp oven. Doesn't necessarily have to be a camp oven, you can do this cooking at home. So we'll toss that on the heat and add a bit of oil. So about 2 tablespoons. You ready? 1, 2. So next step in the recipe is we're going to take onion, garlic, ginger, and we're just going to add it to that nice hot oven. That goes in, and we're just going to cook that down until it's nice and soft. So cook that down till it's nice and soft, and all we need to do now is add our spice mix. So we've just made these translucent or soften, and we'll rip into a Bengal fish curry. Righto, so we've got to the point now where we've got this all cooked down or translucent, softened, however you like to explain it. We're going to chuck in our Bengal fish curry spices. Chuck it all in like that. This will serve 4 people. And we just want to get a bit of heat into those spices. Righto, next step, we're going to add our chilies. And if you don't like a lot of chilies, don't add a lot of chilies. If you like the heat, crank it up. And we'll also add our yogurt. I've got a big tub of yogurt here, so I'm just going to use a small tub of yogurt. There it is. Straight into there. I'll give that a mix through. And now it's time to add our fish. Now make sure your fish is a nice firm flesh fish. This is a Barramundi, but things like freshwater yellow belly go really good in this one, and also any firm flesh fish. So snapper's no good. As lovely as snapper is, it's no good for this dish. So all we want to do now is bring that up so it's to a boiling point and reduce the heat a little, bang on the lid and let it simmer for around about 6 minutes. Righto, let's go have a look. Wow, looking really good. One last step is to add our coriander. Give a gentle stir so we don't break that fish up. And I'm going to say that's about ready to serve. Let's get that onto the table and give it a try. Oh, get your laughing gear around that. Let me dish a bit of this out. Fish is one of my most favourite things. Oh, that Barramundi has come back to life.